Hello children, good morning to you all. Yes, I am Nirali Bhanushali from Vidyakonj English Medium School, Navsari. Okay, so today I am going to teach you Science of Standard 7, and in that we are going to discuss about nutrition in animals, that is your chapter number 2. Yes, but children, before moving on to this chapter, let me ask you something. Yes, बच्चे बताओ, why do we need food? First tell me, do we need food? Yes, हमें खाना चाहिए. Obviously we need food, है ना? खाना तो चाहिए. But why do we need food? Yes children, खाना क्यों चाहिए?
To grow.
Yes, for growth, right? Energy. Okay, someone told energy. बच्चे energy चाहिए, that means for example, देखो सुबह when you wake up in the morning, you do your daily routines, पूरा morning का काम, breakfast, then you come to school. But जैसे ही घर पहुँचते हो, as soon as you reach at your home, right, you will feel hungry, you will feel tired, थकान लगती है, right? So what does that mean? कि अब मुझे खाना चाहिए, right? That means I am feeling hungry. Okay, so what does that mean? We need food for energy, right? And third point is, why do we need food? What do we have to do? We have to fight against the diseases. बीमारियों से लड़ना है, right? हमें disease से fight करना है. So कैसे करेंगे fight? बच्चों हमें पता है ये पैंडेमिक चल रहा है, राइट? चलो मुझे आंसर दो. आंसर मी दैट विच डिसीज इज गोइंग ऑन राइट नाउ? विच डिसीज? यस, कोविड-19, कोरोना वायरस डिसीज चल रही है, राइट? ये हम सबको पता है, ठीक है? सो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग दिस इन दिस डिसीज, हम क्या कर रहे हैं? वी आर बूस्टिंग आवर इम्यूनिटी, राइट? हम हमारी इम्यूनिटी बढ़ा रहे हैं. हम जो डिसीज फाइट करने, जो डिसीज आ रही है उससे फाइट करने के लिए हम और हमारी ताकत बढ़ा रहे हैं, राइट? सो वी नीड फूड फॉर दैट. ओके, सो वी नीड टू फूड for to fight against diseases, for our growth and for our energy. Okay, yes, so this food containing nutrition, right? We are having food containing nutrition to improve the immunity of our diseases, right? To boosting the immunity, right? So now we know that we have to eat the nutritious food. So children, tell me something about this nutrition. What is nutrition? Nutrition क्या है? Yes, बताओ.
Intake of food, nutrients.
Yes, nutrients. We are having the nutrients. We had already discussed in our first chapter what is nutrition. Nutrition मतलब intaking of food, right? So nutrition is, बच्चों, nutrition is intaking of food, right? Intaking of food and utilization, उसे हम कैसे यूज करें in our body. Utilization of food into our body, right? Okay, yes. So what is nutrition? Nutrition is intaking of food and utilization of food in our body. हम उसे कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं? Moving on to the next, children, how many modes of nutrition are there? Nutrition के कितने modes हैं? हमने पहले भी पढ़ा है ये. Yes, 2 modes of nutrition. Very good. 2 ही तो mode है. कौन से हैं? Autotrophic and the next one is?
Heterotrophic.
Yes, very good. Heterotrophic, heterotrophs. Okay, yes, right. So we have 2 modes of nutrition. The one is autotrophs and the other autotrophic mode of nutrition, and the other one is heterotrophic mode of nutrition, correct? So what does this autotrophic mode of nutrition mean? Yes, what does it mean?
They make their food.
Yes, they make their, very good, they make the, वो अपना खाना खुद बना लेते हैं, right? They do not depend on anyone, right? They make their food by themselves. Okay, and that are known as autotrophs, and the mode of nutrition is known as autotrophic mode of nutrition. What about heterotrophs? Heterotrophs है ना, वो किसी और पे डिपेंड होते हैं, वो autotrophs पे डिपेंड होते हैं for food. So that are known as heterotrophs, and the mode of nutrition is known as heterotrophic mode of nutrition, correct? Yes. Now children, the different nutrients. Now we know we have to have the nutrients for, yes, for growth, for energy, fight this against disease, right? So what are these components? These components are the nutrients. Children, these components are the, yes, nutrients. We have to have this food containing nutrients. So what are the 5 main nutrients that are required by our body? You know this, yes?
Protein.
Very good. Proteins. Proteins. Then?
Carbohydrate.
Very good. The carbohydrates. The 5 main nutrients: proteins, carbohydrates. The other one is? Yes, yes?
Fat.
Fats. Yes, you know it. Very good. Fats. Then? Vitamins. Very good. Yes, minerals. Right. Vitamins and the last one is minerals. Children, these 5 nutrients, they are very important for our body. They are present in the nutritious food. Right. Now tell me something. If we eat these components, what are the components? Nothing but these nutrients. We eat this directly or we eat food containing this component. That means, for example, we are having rice. Okay, हम rice खा रहे हैं. तो that, what does that mean? We are having the which nutrient? Which nutrient? Carbohydrate. Yes, speak. Carbohydrate. We are having the carbohydrate nutrient. That means हम carbohydrate directly नहीं खा रहे हैं. हम food containing this nutrient. हम food खा रहे हैं जिसमें carbohydrate है. Right? Okay. So what will be the answer? क्या हम directly component, क्या हम directly carbohydrate खा रहे हैं? No, but we are having the rice containing the carbohydrate. Right? Clear hai? So what will be your answer? We are eating the food containing this component. Yes, is it clear to you all? Yes, very good. Yes. Now, बच्चों अब एक बात बताओ मुझे. When we eat food, when we are having food, right? Where does the food goes? खाना कहाँ जाएगा? पेट में जाएगा, right? है ना? खाना खाएंगे तो कहाँ जाएगा बच्चों? It will go directly into the stomach, right? So when we eat food, how do we feel? कैसा लगता है? बहुत पेट भर गया. We eat full. We feel full कि अब तो मेरा पेट भर गया है. What does that mean? कि अब जो food है that is reached into the body और उसमें पचना start हो गया है, right? Okay. So food is started. The process by which the nutrients they are getting separated from food. हमने जो food खाया है उसमें से nutrients separate होना start हो गया है, right? So that process that is occurring in starting in your stomach, it is known as, yes, it is known as digestion. मतलब अभी यहाँ पे हमारा खाना पचना start हो गया है, right? So the process by which the nutrients they are getting separated from the food is known as digestion. Understood बच्चों? Yes. Okay, very good. Now, before moving this, let me ask you something. Let me ask you something, children. आप खाना कैसे खाते हो? How do you eat food? Yes. च्यू करके, right? But कैसे बच्चों? दांत से च्यू करके, right? With the teeth. आप च्यू करते हो, खाना चबाते हो, तब वो खाना बॉडी में जाता है, right? So मुझे एक बात बताओ, क्या लगता है जो अपना जो ये बटरफ्लाई है, yes, this butterfly, वो भी ऐसे च्यू करके खाएगा? है उसके पास दांत? वो भी ऐसे खाएगा च्यू करके? No, है ना? So how will this butterfly have this food? That means what is the mode of intake of food? वो food कैसे खाएगा? च्यू करके तो नहीं खाएगा, right? That means their mode of foods, their mode of intaking of food, do not talk in class, their mode of intaking of food is different. Each and every animal has different modes of intaking of food. That means how does this rabbit eat, children? चलो बताओ rabbit कैसे खाएगा? हमने देखा है ना rabbit को, how does it eat? उसको carrot बहुत पसंद है. It eats carrots by the process of nibbling. Right? What is nibbling? छोटे छोटे bites खाना. Right? They will eat the small bites. Right? वो छोटे टुकड़े करके खाएगा. Okay. Now talking about the butterfly. Have you all seen the butterfly on the flower? What does it do? Yes, it sucks the nectar. उसको nectar पसंद है. So it sucks the nectar. That means the mode of taking in food in butterfly is sucking. Right? It sucks the nectar. Then comes to the snake. Snake देखा है ना आप सबने? नहीं देखा है. Right? We have seen in this movies. Right? वो कैसे खाना खाता है snake? Bite करके खाता है? No. What does it do? It eats the other animals. वो निगल जाता है. Right? स्नेक क्या करता है? किसी और उसके जो फूड है उसको निगलता है. That means it swallows the food. So what will be the answer? What is the mode of taking in food of the snake? Swallowing. Yes. Then comes to the dog. How does the dog eat? बच्चे dog कैसे खाना खाएगा? Yes, dog will eat by the process of lipping. That means it will lick the food, then it will eat it. समझ में आया? That means there are different modes of nutrition of taking in food of the different animals. Is it clear to you all? Yes. So after eating, these animals utilize their food and that is known as animal nutrition. Okay. Now children, we will study about activity 2. Yes. Children, before labeling these organs, we will study this in detail. We will study this human digestive system in detail. Children, have you all wondered कि जब हम खाना खा रहे हैं, खाना पेट में जा रहा है, तो अंदर हो क्या रहा है? Right? When we are eating food, अंदर क्या हो रहा है? खाना पेट में जाके क्या processing हो रहा है? So we will study about each and every organ about human digestive system in detail. Right? Okay. So let us start the human digestive system. Okay.
Introduction.
Yes.
Yummy! This food tastes so good.
Do you know what happens to the food when it goes inside your body?
No, but I want to know.
Yeah, sure. Our body has a huge network of various glands and organs which absorbs the essential nutrients from the food and discards the unimportant part.
This seems to be very interesting.
Yes, right. It is very interesting to know. Yes. हम अभी देखेंगे कि खाना वो पेट में जा रहा है माउथ के थ्रू, तो वो कैसे क्या क्या प्रोसेस होता है.
Are you interested to know more about this digestion mechanism?
Yes.
The students, today we will start a lesson Nutrition in Animals. At the end of this entry canal, in crop is made up of complex substances like carbohydrates, fats and proteins. We can utilize these substances as such, so they are broken down into simpler substances. The breakdown of complex components of food into simpler substances is called digestion.
Yes, children. Now we know that what are the main different components of the food? Yes, they are carbohydrates, fats and proteins. Now this food, this substance containing this food, when they are entered into the body, so there what happens? The breakdown of these components takes place, right? वो छोटे छोटे टुकड़े में change. हम if we are eating a roti, right? So पूरी रोटी तो नहीं खाएंगे. We will chew it and then the food, the chapati, whatever the food, it will get converted into the simpler substances. Yes.
Let us study digestion in human beings. You will be wondering to know that the food inside our body passes through an alimentary canal or simply digestive tract. It consists of buccal cavity, food pipe or esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and the anus.
Yes, children. Now, the alimentary canal, that is also known as the digestive tract. ओके, फ्रॉम वेयर डज इट स्टार्ट? वो अपने मुंह से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, खाना हम मुंह से खाते हैं, राइट? सो इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम द बकल कैविटी, ओके, मुंह से स्टार्ट होगा, द फूड विल एंटर इनटू द माउथ, आफ्टर दैट द फूड इज pushed into the stomach, but how? Through the esophagus. Esophagus, children, esophagus क्या है? एक food pipe है, right? It is a food pipe. From where it starts? Listen, it starts from the neck to the chest. Then the food goes into the stomach. Some digestion takes place there. Then will be the small intestine, large intestine, and the undigested food material is removed through the anus, right? Yes.
Now let us know what happens to the food in the different parts of the digestive tract. Breaking down of food occurs by two ways: mechanical digestion and chemical digestion. Mechanical digestion is the physical breaking down of food when we chew the food with the teeth. Chemical digestion is the chemical breakdown of food into the molecules body can absorb. Both types of digestion take place in mouth. Mechanical digestion breaks food into small pieces, and saliva in our mouth, produced by salivary glands, causes the breakdown of starches into sugar.
Yes, children. Now digestion process is already started, right? खाना पचना तो start हो गया. That means when the food is entered into the mouth, there are two main types of digestion takes place, right? That is mechanical digestion and yes, chemical digestion. बच्चे, what happens in the mechanical digestion? We have to chew the food. हमें वो खाना चबाना पड़ेगा mechanically. Then it will be converted into smaller pieces. Physically वो कैसे convert हो जाएगा? छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में convert हो जाएगा. पूरी रोटी खाएंगे तो that if we'll chew the food, it will get converted into small pieces, right? After, the second digestion is the chemical digestion. What happens in that, children? Our mouth, our buccal cavity has salivary glands, right? So these are the salivary glands, right? So this salivary glands, they secretes saliva. ये क्या secrete करेगा? Saliva secrete करेगा. हमारे मुंह में एक liquid बनता है, right? है ना? वो liquid हमारा saliva है. वो saliva क्या करेगा? हमारे फूड, हमारे जो फूड हमने खाया है उसको डाइजेस्ट करना स्टार्ट करेगा. सो द सलाइवा हियर एंड द एंजाइम्स आर आल्सो प्रेजेंट इन द माउथ, राइट? सो व्हाट हैपेंस? दे विल स्टार्ट डाइजेस्टिंग द स्टार्च, राइट? जब हम कुछ खाते हैं तो वी फील स्वीट टेस्ट, हमें कुछ मीठा सा लगता है, राइट? सो व्हाट डज दिस सलाइवा डू? ये डाइजेशन प्रोसेस स्टार्ट कर देगा and it will convert your starch into glucose. Obviously glucose is sweet in taste, so how do you feel? You will feel sweet taste, एक मीठा सा taste आएगा, right? Yes.
This process of taking food into the body is called ingestion. When the food we eat becomes soft mass, our tongue pushes it to the food pipe or esophagus. The esophagus is a long tube that runs from the neck to the chest. The movements of its walls force the food to the stomach. The stomach is the widest part of the alimentary canal. It is a thick walled bag with a flattened.
Yes, children. Now the food is entered into the mouth. Mechanical digestion done, chemical digestion done, and now food is passed through the esophagus, right? What is esophagus? Yes, वो एक food pipe है जहाँ से कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, खाना अंदर जा रहा है into our stomach. Okay. Now what is the stomach? What is the shape of the stomach? ये stomach का shape है flattened J. ओके, टेढ़ा हुआ सा जे है बच्चों. देखो इस तरह से कुछ है, ऐसा शेप है, राइट? इट इज द शेप ऑफ द फ्लैटेंड जे एंड इट इज द बिग सैक लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. एक थिक वॉल बनी हुई है इसके आसपास, राइट? नाउ व्हाट आर द थिंग्स, व्हाट आर द एंजाइम्स, व्हाट आर द जूसेस दैट आर प्रेजेंट इन द स्टमक? चिल्ड्रन, देयर आर डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस, राइट? डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस प्रेजेंट इन द स्टमक. ओके, and what is present? Hydrochloride acid, HCl is present. Children, HCl is present in the stomach, and there is this yellow color lining. Can you see this yellow color lining? Yes children, it is mucus. It is mucus. So what happens here, as the food is entered into the stomach, the digestive juices, the HCl, they start digesting proteins, right? We had components of food, उसमें से प्रोटीन डाइजेस्ट होना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, पार्शियली डाइजेस्ट होगा, पूरा डाइजेस्ट नहीं हो जाएगा, थोड़ा थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. द फूड इज चॉन्ड हियर. फूड को क्या करेंगे हम इसमें? चॉन करेंगे. व्हाट डज इट मीन? उसको हम ग्राइंड करेंगे. हमारा स्टमक है उसे क्या करेगा? ग्राइंड करेगा, राइट? ओके. एंड व्हाट अबाउट दिस? सी डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस है, HCl है, उसने फूड चर्न कर लिया, ग्राइंड कर लिया, डाइजेशन स्टार्ट हो गया. बट व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ दिस म्यूकस? व्हाई दिस म्यूकस इज प्रेजेंट हियर? चिल्ड्रन, देयर इज अ प्रेजेंस ऑफ HCl हियर, राइट? ओके, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड है यहाँ पे. सो व्हाट डज इट डू? दिस म्यूकस, द इनर लाइनिंग, इट विल प्रोटेक्ट द स्टमक फ्रॉम दिस HCl. वो स्टमक को प्रोटेक्ट करेगा ये एसिड से. ओके, यस.
U shape. Inside the stomach, food is churned and mixed with digestive juices, including hydrochloric acid. These chemicals break down the proteins into simpler substances. A lining of mucus protects our stomach from acids. After about 4 hours in the stomach, food changes to shrunk and moves into the small intestine. The small intestine is the longest part of our digestive system. It is about 7.5 meters long and highly coiled in structure.
Yes children, now the food is partially digested, right? Proteins are digested into simpler substances in the stomach. After that, अब वो खाना कहाँ जाएगा? पेट से जाएगा स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में, राइट? वो खाना वहाँ पे ट्रांसफर होगा. Okay, and in the small intestine, yes, we can see this, that there is the shape of the small intestine is coiled in shape. वो कैसे एक दूसरे में से coil हुआ है, right? But अगर उसे हम एकदम लंबा सा चेन जैसा बना देंगे लेंथ में, so उसका वो कितना मीटर का होगा बच्चों? It will be of 7.5 meters long. Can you imagine how long, right? But it is coiled in shape. That means कि उसको हमने, वो कैसा है? एक coiled shape में है. That is your small intestine. What happens in the small intestine? The major nutrients, they will get absorbed there, right? They will get digested there. Okay? Yes.
It is the part where most of the nutrients of the food are absorbed. Liver and the pancreas also join the digestion. Liver secretes bile juice stored in a gallbladder and helps in the digestion of fats, whereas...
Yes children, what happens in the liver? Liver secretes the bile juice. Yes, liver secretes the bile juice that is stored in a gallbladder. वो bile juice secrete करेगा, और वो bile juice के help से this fats, our proteins were somewhat digested, right? Now this fats, they will get converted into the simpler substances, right?
And helps in the digestion of fats, whereas pancreatic juice break down proteins and carbohydrates.
Yes children, now the other part of the small intestine is pancreas. What it will do? Yes, it will secrete pancreatic juice and it will digest. वो अब क्या digest करेगा? जो बचा कुचा सा carbohydrates है, proteins है, right? वो उसे digest करेगा and it will convert it into the simpler substances, right? So this pancreatic juice will break down protein and carbohydrates.
Cheese and carbohydrates. After that, partly digested food reaches the small intestine and intestinal juice break down carbohydrates into simple sugars such as glucose, fats into fatty acids and glycerol, and proteins into amino acids, and completes the digestion of the food.
Yes children, now okay, yes, so liver and pancreas में थोड़ा बहुत digestion हो गया, but still they are partly digested. Okay, now this partly digested food, they will enter into the, कहाँ जाएगा, the lower part of the small intestine. Small intestine के lower part में जाएगा. वहाँ पे क्या होगा, this small intestine have intestinal juice. So what it will do, it will first complete the digestion of these three components, proteins, carbohydrates and fats, right? And they will break down the carbohydrates into sugars. Carbohydrate का digestion किस में convert हो जाएगा, sugar में. It will convert it into the simple substances, right? जैसे कि glucose, yes we know, मीठा सा taste वाला glucose. Then these fats, they are converted into the fatty acids and glycerol, and the proteins are converted into the your amino acids, right? So complete digestion of all your nutrients takes place in the small intestine.
Of the food. Now the digested food passes into the bloodstream. We call this process absorption.
Yes children, now the food is digested, this much is done. अब वो digested food है वो कहीं पे absorb होगा, so it will be passed to the blood stream. उसे हम क्या करेंगे, उसको हम blood stream में pass करेंगे. The digested food is passed here and the process is known as absorption.
Well, there are tiny fingers-like things called villi, lining the inside of small intestine. Do you know the interesting part of villi? It increases the surface area of the absorption of digested food.
Yes children. Now there are this finger-like projections called villi. दिख रहा है आपको, है ना? They are finger-like projections. इसका shape कुछ अलग सा है, right? What does it do? What is the role of this healthy villi in the small intestine? How do it absorb the food in the small intestine? कैसे होगा? Children, see, can you see this finger? अगर ये finger इस तरह से है तो the absorption will take place, वो इतने ही area में absorption होगा. For example, और अगर finger कुछ इस तरह से shape में है तो उसका area बढ़ जाएगा, right? So in the same way देखो ये भी एक finger जैसा ही है, right? So इसमें क्या होगा? The surface area will increase, right? So it will help to absorb more. Yes.
Then the absorbed substances are transported via the blood vessels to different organs of the body, where they are used to build complex substances such as proteins. This is called assimilation.
Yes children, absorption is done, right? Digestion is done, absorption is done. Now the absorbed substances, they are in the blood vessels. वो blood vessels में है. अब वो कहाँ जाएंगे? Yes, it will go into the different organs, to the different parts of the body, right? So the process in which these are transported to different parts of the body is known as assimilation. Now after assimilation, what will happen? The food, they will pass to the large intestine, right? Yes.
When one gets into the large intestine, it absorbs most of the water and some salts out of the undigested food. This step is important because recovering water keeps us safe from getting dehydrated. Once most of the water is gone, solid waste moves to the last part of the large intestine called the rectum, and the fecal matter is removed through the anus.
Yes children, now the food is transported to the large intestine, right, where the undigested food is there, right? From that salts and water is absorbed, and after that the undigested material is passed through the rectum and is removed through the anus. Okay, so here we complete our digestive system. The anus, the removal of food, the removal of the undigested material, that is known as egestion, right? Yes.
This is called egestion.
Okay.
So this way the human digestion completes.
Yes children. Now we have studied about the human digestive system in detail. हमने पूरा पढ़ लिया है. Now you will help me to solve this activity, right? To label the organs of this human digestive system, right? Okay. So the digestive system starts from the, कहाँ से start होगा children? Very good. It starts from the mouth. Yes. What are the different glands present in the mouth? Yes, salivary glands are present, right? These three glands are the salivary glands. Children, what does it secrete?
Saliva.
Yes, very good. It secretes saliva, right? Yes, very good. And now food is entered into the mouth. Now it will transfer to the esophagus. That is what you can say? Yes, food pipe. इसे food pipe भी कह सकते हैं बच्चों. Right? Okay. Then after that, food is passed into the कहाँ जाएगा? Stomach में जाएगा, पेट में जाएगा, right? So it will pass into the stomach. What will happen here? क्या digest होगा children? Proteins digest होंगे यहाँ पे. And after that the food is passed into their associative glands where secretions will take place. Which gland, children? Liver and pancreas. We had already studied in this video, right? Liver and pancreas. Then this will pass into the small intestine, right? What will happen here, children? Small intestine में क्या होगा? Full digestion will take place, right? पूरा digestion small intestine में complete हो जाएगा. Children, it is coiled in shape and it is of 7.5 meters of length. And after this, the food will pass into the undigested food will pass into the large intestine. That green part, right? वो क्या है, children? It is your large intestine. And the undigested material, that is जो unwanted material है, it will be get removed through the anus. Is it clear to everyone? Yes, very good. So what we had learned today, children? हमने आज क्या क्या पढ़ा है? Yes, we had learnt about the nutrition, the types of the modes of nutrition, right? About animal nutrition. Then we had learned about the mode of intaking of food in different animals. अलग-अलग animals कैसे खाना खाते हैं, right? Their mode of intaking of food is different. Then we had learned about the human digestive system, right? हमने इसके बारे में पढ़ा. Children, what are the 5 stages of this human digestive system? Children, इसमें कौन से main 5 stages थे? Yes, the number 1 is ingestion, right? पहले क्या किया? फूड को हमने खाया, इंजेक्ट किया, हमारे पेट में डाला, right? That is your ingestion, right? Second one is your digestion, जिसमें हमारा खाना पच गया, right? हमारा खाना digest हो गया. Then the third one is absorption. यहाँ पे क्या होगा बच्चों? खाना आपका absorb होगा in the blood vessels, right? वो खाना absorb होगा. Then the fourth one is assimilation. Assimilation का मतलब क्या होता है? वो खाना हमारा कहीं पे मिलेगा, किसी को मिलेगा, to the different organs of the body. वहाँ पे वो पहुँचेगा, right? And it will pass to the different organs of the body. Then the last one, the undigested material, जो चीज़ नहीं चाहिए, it will be removed out of the body. वो कौन से प्रोसेस से होगा बच्चों? Egestion. So these are the 5 main stages. Okay, these are the 5 main stages of your human digestive system. Okay? Yes. So ingestion and egestion, बच्चे they both are different. Okay? Ingestion मतलब खाना खाना, हमें बॉडी में एंटर करना, and egestion मतलब जो unwanted waste material है उसका remove हो जाना. Right? Yes. Let us move to points to understand. We had already done this. We will discuss it later. This points to understand, we will discuss it later. Okay? Understood? Yes. Okay? Thank you.